A pair of Santa Barbara County wildfires quickly spread Saturday, threatening hundreds of homes and forcing evacuations at a popular lakeside campground and a summer camp where flames temporarily trapped children and counselors, a fire official said. The fire that started in the early afternoon had spread to both sides of Highway 154 and was completely out of control, County Fire Captain Dave Zaniboni said. About 90 children and 50 counselors were struck at the Circle V Ranch and had to take shelter there until they could be safely evacuated. The fire was one of 3 in the state that grew quickly as much of California baked in heat that broke records in parts of Southern California.